friends. Today we'll do a small puppy with clay. See how cute is this? We will do it. Okay, come on. Take white color in clay. Take a round circle from white piece. Some. Then do like a round, like a wheel. It should be fat, not so thin. Okay? Keep it aside. Take the other white color and take some. Then not like this small. Take than that some bigger. Do like a round. See, when it came neat round. Do like this. See, it should come like this. Okay, like oval shape. We did no. First legs we will keep. Take some of the white color. Not this white. We did round for starting. Other white we had. Take small piece like this. Medium. Take medium. Keep like this slantingly clip. Then it will stand. Next other leg. Like that 4 legs. You like dogs? Yes, you like dogs. Yes, you like dogs. Oh, you like dogs? You are very good children. Do neatly legs. We did the 4 legs. See, it is standing. Yes, yes, it stands. We did the head starting. Keep like this. Some top of that one. See, like this. See. Then the tail. Take some white piece color. It should be like this. See, now the tail is ready. Then take some piece of black color, small piece. Take out the head you clip. See, fold like this. Keep as the eye. Two eyes. Yes, you like puppies now? It's nice? Yes, it's nice. Take white color, small piece. Then the black color, small piece. See. Keep in the middle of the black color of the eye. You are very good children doing it. See, okay? It came like a neat face. Then we'll do for that smiley face? Yes, we'll do. Okay. We'll do ears, nose and the mouth. Okay. Take some pink color. Fold like a curve shape. Keep here like ears. I think you have a dog at home. Like cursives. Do you like curve? Here. See. It came like this. Next. Take again pink color. Small piece. Keep here. Now the nose is ready. Okay. Next. Okay. Okay. Then take red color. Small piece. We need tongue now for red color. We need red color for tongue now. Keep like this, like a tongue. And we did know this. Keep the head here. Okay, the puppy is ready. Puppies are ready. See how cute they are.